Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're doing something different. We're on the road, we're on our way out, we're gonna go to the mall, we're gonna go ahead and visit the wife. But the main reason we're here is simply to announce the winners of the giveaway for the Panda Red. I'm telling you, that watch face was cold. This guy gets down on some awesome, elegant watch faces, right? I gotta get that guy like 4 or 5 thumbs up in the door. He does really good work. But we just wanted to chit chat for a little while we roll, you know, something different, a different scenery, and it's always good to chit chat with you guys. So let's go ahead, let's call out the names. Now, for my international people, yours is coming. I think we're only missing India, but we got Denmark, the UK, we got Canada. They gave us some for Germany, China. So any of you all are from those areas, listen, we got some watch faces for you, okay? Now, for the US, now we got a few of you all. We got Flesh, a couple of new people, right? Flesh is one, and we got Cortez Stewart. We also got Joseph Gallo, congratulations, and Daryl Gray. Now, those are for the U.S. You gotta be from the U.S. in order to get these watch face codes and in order for them to work. All right? So cool. International people, I send yours right out. I'm gonna send them out today. When I get back, I'm gonna hang out for a little while. Got to go get my daughter. So this is going to be a different type of day. Now, if you want to help the channel out, I started a Facebook page. You can follow me there. It's called Huck's Tech Store. This would definitely support the channel as well as support my Facebook page as well. Okay, so we're just riding, people. We're just riding, and we feel good today. Got a new hat on, we got a new jacket on. We're about to go see if we can find some more clothes. We haven't been shopping in a long time. So I want to say good morning to a few people that I can remember the names right off the top of my head. Jackie, good morning. OZ, Vince, you're up early in the morning. All my loyal followers. We got Daryl Gray in the building. He's been in the house for a while. We got Janet. We got Jan from Denmark. We also got Keith. I want to say what's up to Jibber Jab and also Jabber Tech. Listen, good morning, people. I don't know if you had to get on the grind. If you did, listen, grind hard and it will be over with soon. Me, I'm not grinding today. I'm going to get a few steps in throughout the mall, and then we're going to come on back home, shoot these videos out. We got another video to do for tonight, so we're going to send another one out this evening, and I'm trying to come up with some different ideas for some other videos. Just not ready to put anything out yet. So look for those, people. Thank you for the loyal support. Thank you for the love, definitely. And the new people, listen, just keep coming. Comment in the comment section down below, and you too can have an opportunity to win a free watch face. All right, cool. All right, so we're gonna get to rolling. We're gonna focus on the road. I know that's what you're gonna tell me in the comment section down below, but we got it. We got it. We're good. All right. So you all have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. Say hi to the family. Again, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Peace out.